In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and manage your customers list in QuickBooks. Managing your customer information efficiently is a vital part of maintaining a streamlined business operation. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to brush up on your skills, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's start off by signing into QuickBooks Online. First, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This is your entry to accessing the platform's comprehensive set of tools for handling your financial tasks. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your QuickBooks product. Go ahead and select QuickBooks Online, as this is where we'll be working. Next, it's time to enter your credentials, input your username and password, and then continue by clicking the Continue button. If it's your first time logging in, ensure that you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, it's time to move into the settings where the magic of importing your customer list happens. Locate the settings icon. This is typically found as a gear symbol at the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. There's a lot you can do from here, but for today we're focusing on importing data. Click on Import Data from this menu. This feature allows you to upload and integrate information from external files into your QuickBooks account, saving you the time and hassle of entering everything manually. Next, when you select Import Data, you'll see different types of records you can import. We're interested in customers, so go ahead and select customers as the record type. Now click on Import to proceed with the next step. This will initiate the process where you can bring in your external customer data into QuickBooks. At this stage, you'll need to have a CSV file ready, which contains all the customer information you want to upload. If you haven't prepared it yet, it's a good idea to format all your data in a spreadsheet and save it as a CSV file beforehand. Now browse your computer, find the CSV file you've prepared and select it. This will prompt QuickBooks to read the file and prepare for the import. Following this, you need to map out the data fields from your CSV file to match those in QuickBooks. This step ensures that the information correctly integrates into the existing columns like name, email, and phone number. QuickBooks typically provides a friendly interface to guide you, but ensure that each data field is matched accurately to avoid any discrepancies. Finally, click on Import. This last step will upload your customer data into QuickBooks, and you should see your new customer list appear ready for use. And there you have it. You've successfully added, edited, and managed your customers within QuickBooks.